The Prahlad Maharaj was a Tattva Gyani. Gyaninas Tattva Darshana. Gyaninas Tattva Darshana. Tattva Darshan. He was having darshan as a Tattva. He was Vishnu realized. Vishnu Vigyani. Vishnu Vigyani. You can't remember someone you don't know. Remember someone you don't know. Remember someone you never met, never saw. Well, that means me. I never met me, I never saw me, I don't know me, so I'll try to remember me. Because most people don't know who they are, who the hell they are. But Prahlad, that's why he's called Gyani Bhakta. He's called Gyani Bhakta, because he knows. Gyani means Tattva Darshan, Tattva Gyani. He knows Vishnu. He knows his Saleshwarya Purna. And that's what he was preaching to his schoolmates. He was preaching the Tattva Gyan.
Can we say that was service, preaching to the school friends?
Yeah, it's seva, but he was just thinking but seva, preaching means to engage people in active service. So he was preaching and filling them with the possibility to do service. And his preaching was a dissemination of gyan. Because vigyan would have been service. Because he was preaching, but he wasn't preaching do service. So he was a distributor of the Gyan, of the Bhakti Gyan, but not the Bhakti Vigyan, because Bhakti Vigyan will be Seva, the Dasya Bhakti. Because he didn't say, everyone should cook for the Lord. So, because this question is brought up by the Mahajan, the Acharyas. Obviously, preaching is service, and because we're preaching Nam Gun Rupa Lila of the Lord, and Braj Bhakti, and the Prayojan. Radha Bhagavan Brajesha Taniyas Sridham Vrindavanam. That our Radha is Brajendrananda. And Sridham Vrindavan is our goal. And Ram Yakachivapasana Brajabadivya is the Kalpita. The worship, the Rami Upasana. The Rami Upasana means the most pleasurable, satisfying worship of the gopis of Braj. These are our exemplars. These are the gurus of prema. These are the prem gurus, the gopis. And Krishna himself is saying, Ami prema. Ami Shishye in Chaitanya Charitamrita. Krishna is saying, Radharani, I am your Shishya, you are my praying guru.